Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic scrolling video collage effect in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create a new project and I'm going to create a video collage. I'm just going to pick random videos from my device. I'm gonna go with this one, and this one as well. Then we can click on collage. Okay, and for the format, I'm just going to select this one, and for the ratio, I'm gonna go with 9:16. Okay, then click on continue, and I'm going to adjust the duration. I'm going to make all the videos have same duration. I'm just going to click on split and delete the unwanted clip. Okay, wait, I'm going to cut it a little bit. Okay, now it's done, and I'm going to export this video. Then you can create another video collage if you want. Okay, and click on done, and I'm going to create new project. Then I'm going to import the video we have just exported. Okay, this is the video. I'm going to add it to my project, and I'm going to create the cinematic scrolling video collage effect. We're going to put keyframe. Okay, just add the keyframe to the beginning of the video. Then you can go to the end of the video, and then you can make it almost out of frame. Okay, like this. And I'm going to add more video collage to this project. We can click on overlay, add overlay, and I'm just going to add the same video. But if you have another video collage, you can add it. I'm going to click on add, and I'm going to adjust the screen like this. Then we're going to put keyframe on the second video as well. I'm going to go to the end of this video, add keyframe, and go to the beginning. And you can move it down like this until it's out of frame. All right, and let's see the final result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create cinematic scrolling video collage effect on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.